Mena say me mo akwa babiem me ni de fia amankwa tamaklo bedwam health tips na wo hye 5 minutes ye nche a doctor for mo ho kwan che ya de adwo da benada ukwada ya wada fiada enne na wo twi mu ye to ye nkoma ye ka fa postpartum depression ho dogo setichu no ye matan oba wa fa furu a wa wo no omuna ta nya sa condition we ti ye be risk factors a ewo mu yenti ni yepa endpoint Homeopathic clinic na da romana dwumadi ati say to me de bro ti 5 minutes ye nche entuni off ne ti ni ebeboa me doctor mama ya esel ene ti adwam na wo twi do me na se ye da se pa wa bone tofa de a kire ye na risk factors be na ewo mu
entini ma pit me ma obinya bibia the friend postpartum depression but said the yedi kan ka obi atumenya but crofo bi wo ho a omo de omo likelihood and a chance omo benya no a chain other pregnant women just say omo ye more likely and more at risk obi a owo anxiety or depressive disorder did answer now offer efunu wo ye no nti obi owo history of any mental health disorder now no ankasa or depression and sana in the past and when anxiety disorder also or higher risk of getting postpartum depression. Obi so wa wo ba pain and during that time away we say when you postpartum depression pain and our baby blues when you sa condition pain into obi sa na or bi ma there's a higher risk so obesenya sa condition nti bi ho kra mo tumi nya psychosis a mo tumi ai say o mo akọ off o mo wo a enche no mo hu sa ni man after why it me go so bi a wenya history of that or higher risk of betumi nya postpartum depression it means so how much difficult delivery and a complicated delivery say bia when to me or labor ward ni man ko ye omu ye ya afi omu de no call emergency cesarean section up and down stress e bia CS no ye it wasn't so CS no it's not so easy on the body nti obewie no na enema wa fam the all these two are stresses on the person obewie na it's likely say obewo ne ban so Ninja at that moment. When you're bad, but emotions no share stable, so why you're depressed. So all those things are things that can contribute. So we are diabetic, and throughout pregnancy, we are diabetic. They have a higher chance than the non-diabetic pregnant one of getting postpartum depression. And it means more thyroid issues. In thyroid now, I will have say I mama in na boying. Omudia no ebia more hypothyroidism now more hyperthyroidism. It's easier for them also and more likely for them to develop the effect of postpartum depression compared to other ones. Even so, how much premature delivery. In Tiafel, our premature, they be called neonatal ICU, would over. Go up and down because that baby about time no da na wasa it's not easy so when you are all right but who complications who hospital better hospital companies are kwani okay how betin dey na coffee nti sometimes even at the hospital na so be coffee kana why depressed and within say a area a bit me affect from any few weeks post delivery so a year post delivery within that period into any time within that window no about time to me but commonly within a few weeks to months so these are things automatically will be say or diabetic or thyroid issues maybe a difficult labor process and a delivery process it's me man is a problem we can't say hypothyroidism yes.
Wow, and you know, even before obe wokra rutiminya sa postpartum depression.
Oh no, say nipa no we yent me friend of postpartum depression. So we go how to me or you're paying for right but the diagnosis of depression or she's being managed. But postpartum depression that means nipa no or you're okay emotionally. Only mental health and emotional disorder. And then within a short time after war, no say no. Say ndi bia sisa, ndi DM sisa, oni microphone temi sheda anye to say first, ni sheda anje bi ho to me su uncontrollable crying. Besu sa ohun de ntia o.
Beto so ochina wo ho. Adaroma. Dr. Mame ya Esel na ochire ya de fa postpartum depression ehun. Enti we no emi say yen a ye ne ma about time tie no yen nyina no ye hwe o chefa ye be play wo mu because obi soon we are dum kasa kura no enye easy o yenkomra na ochena nkwa hoden wo ho aka ye ho na ye nto so 5 minutes wa wo say ye nche endpoint homeopathic clinic ni nti na yenya kwan ne Dr. Penny Adom komoyi ochena sabre ya twen ye besa ya ba biem 0244 867068 midi efia amankwa tamaklo